My dear students, let us continue. So now topic is netiquette of internet. Okay, so this word netiquette internet is derived from two words, internet etiquette or network etiquette. The meaning is use of proper manners over the internet. Okay, the use of proper manners in the sense we should not uh, involve in any illegal activities over the internet, right? So some other guidelines are given, some internet tips are given, so that we will see now. Okay, so netiquette means the use of proper manners over the internet. So what can be the safe experience? Let us see. So first point here, use computer courtesy. It means it is important to be courteous and respectful to others while sending an email, chatting in chat room or speaking in a phone. It means we should not use any kind of vulgar words, right? We should be polite. Okay, then we should be brief online. Whenever we write a message, so we should write in short. Okay, so especially when writing an email or typing in a chat room, right? I'm not talking about a formal email on any official email. Whenever we send, just it is whenever there is a typing in the chat room or writing in that email. Okay, so what kind of short forms? Like by the way, we can use BTW. Check your email, we can use CYE. Like many short forms are given, so these short forms we can use. For OK we can use K, for your we can use UR, for thanks we can use THX, right? So these are some short forms which we should use over the chatting. Okay, chatting platform. D&D, do not disturb. Hand, have a nice day. CUL, catch you later. ASAP, as soon as possible. So like that, right? L, 8 hour later. LMK, let me know. TTF and Tata for now. LOL, laughing out loud. OIC, TC, take care. You too. Okay. FYI, for your information, just kidding. JK, see you later. CUL, 8 hour. So these are some forms. The other point is use emoticons. It means you are not showing your face whenever you chat. Okay, I'm not talking about video chat, just like a writing message. So in that case, you can show your expressions by the help of popular emoticons. Okay, sometimes you call that emojis. Whenever you type a message that you see in your mobile phone, right? Don't shout. Remember, do not write any matter in capital letters. Okay, it seems awkward. It is treated like you are shouting, you are in angry mood. So instead of that, one word or two words are you can use, no problem, but you should write in small letters. Okay, what it shows is considered very rude, so you should not use any capital letters in all the words. Think before posting. So remember, whenever you post, you should think twice, because it will not come back. Alright. So, and one more thing, the bad impression. It will show your bad impression, whatever you type. So before posting, think twice, right? Next, whatever language you use, pay attention to languages used. So whatever language you use, that should be clear and comprehensible, right? If any other person is not able to understand, so of course there is no use. So it should be clearly understood. Then don't share your personal information. Remember, anywhere over the internet, you should not share your private or personal information. There are very serious consequences for that. So you should not disclose, right? Those who are having bad intentions, they can steal your information, they can misuse those information, they can disturb you, they can make you harm. So you should not do like that. Then help internet newbies. It means a newbie means a new one. Be patient and helpful for others. And remember, everyone was a newbie once. Okay, you should be patient and you should be helpful for the others. Then be aware of cyberbullying. So cyberbullying, when a person uses the internet, cell phones or other devices to send or post texts or images intended to hurt or embarrass another person, it is called the cyberbullying. It means if your intention to hurt or embarrass another person, it is called the cyberbullying. Remember, it is also a crime. Today, cyberbullying is increasing rapidly. If targeted by a cyberbully, do not respond. Remember that, and immediately you should respond. You should report these issues to your parents. Right? Remember that. If anyone is making you disturb, making you hurt, embarrassing you, so remember you should immediately report your parents. Then obey copyright laws. Remember, you should not steal any kind of data over the internet. Right? It is illegal. So you should, if you follow the above guidelines, the online experience will be enjoyable and safe. Remember. Okay. So this is quick recap. We have already studied that.